Hey everyone, I hope you're well. So in this video, I will show you an app which is very useful for studying anatomy. So let's get started. So the name of this app is Human Anatomy Atlas 2021. So in this menu, you can see the various components of it. Firstly, the skeletal systems, then the circulatory and all that. Every system you will be able to see here. So let's demonstrate. I'm picking up the upper respiratory. So in this module you can see the 3D arrangement of the respiratory system, upper respiratory system. You can zoom in and you can see individual structures, like this is the nasal cavity and all these sinuses, paranasal sinuses. One more feature is that you can dissect it out so that you can get more view. For example, I'm dissecting this skin, so here it's gone. Now I can dissect the bones. There it is. So you can dissect it all for more clear view, like this. Also you can get the information related to each structures, like for example I am selecting the frontal sinus and you can see the description of it description of frontal sinus. It is very useful. It is very means handy for studying anatomy of each and every organ. So it has many 3D modules of the body parts and organs. Also it has media. I have not downloaded it. Yep, download is. I haven't downloaded. That's why it's locked. For example, let's see one video. Heart function.
The heart is a muscular organ that functions as a double pump to control blood flow. The heart of an adult male is slightly larger than that of an adult female. On average, hollow chambers enclosed by a layered wall.
So it is very useful. Very nice video and animation also. Basically it has got a lot of tons of videos, as you can see here. It is very nice for medical students. It is also quiz, question and answer, like that. You can test your knowledge here. You can bookmark your favorite topic, or you can make some notes in that. So that was all about the demonstration. So my opinion is that it's very useful and handy app for studying anatomy. Instead of going through the cadaver in real life, you can just scroll it here and take it out. So that's all about the video. Thank you guys. Till next time.